What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Zilliqa, which has gone through another pump in the last 24 hours. As you can see, just about 12%, currently trading at just below the 3 cents target. And as you can see, the pump started very early this morning, hitting about going over the 3 cents target. Has taken a little dip right now, so we're going to be going through where is it heading to next. Is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Or is it time to sell it and take out your profits? We're going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks for the short-term traders, as well as over the long term, over the next few months, and overall in 2023, how high can Zilliqa go? Can it hit 10 cents, 20 cents? And also, is it a good investment for 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website right now, and as you can see, the market is up just over a percentage in the last 24 hours, and we've got Zilliqa gaining nearly 12%. In the last hour itself, it has managed to gain half a percentage. Over the last week, over 6%, and over the month, a massive 37%. As you can see, major peaks here on the 9th of January, which was exactly a week ago. And yeah, it hasn't stopped. It's still gaining value right now, so yeah, it's still ongoing. And going into the coin market cap website, we can see here the trading volume has gone up by a huge 130% in the last 24 hours, making it $188 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Zilliqa. We're seeing a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading it, as it has been gaining a lot of attention, not just in the last 24 hours, but over the last week or so. You know, we've seen it pumping and so on, so more and more people will be investing into it, and more people will also be selling it. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've also got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Zilliqa at just about 2 cents. However, it is trading at much higher value here at 0.02805, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that, as usual guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So I'll say towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, we should expect Zilliqa to be trading at a slightly lower value than what it's worth at the moment. However, that was expected, because as I mentioned plenty of times, guys, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like what's happened here, the crypto has to take a little dip, it has to take a little breather, and that is exactly what's happened. But I'm expecting it to pump back above the 3 cents target today over the next couple of hours, and then drop back down in value. So it's going to be a repeated cycle of pumps and drops. But again, once the pumps are over, it's going to slowly start to drop down in value to around the 0.027 0.026 cents target, somewhere in between along these lines here. But again, no major drops are expected. It is going to be minimal. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Yes, we've got the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, the blue line is looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So essentially, we have got two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One's looking bullish and one's looking bearish. So guys, an overall fluctuation in value is what I'm expecting from Zilliqa over the coming days. So let's say towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting an overall fluctuation, meaning let's say hovering around the 3 cents target is what I'm expecting from Zilliqa towards the end of the week. However, that doesn't mean that it's going to be staying around 3 cents consistently for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It's likely to drop. It's likely to peak up to even 4 cents in target. It's going to be quite volatile up and down, but the overall outcome by the end of the week seems to be neutral, so more or less staying around the 3 cents target by the weekend. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks now we are looking much more positive, guys. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning once again an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from Zilliqa over the coming weeks. So here I'm talking about late February to mid-March, I'm expecting Zilliqa to be trading around the 6 to 7 cents target. Again, it may seem like a major increase right now, but again, if we give it a good 6 to 8 weeks time, we should be able to hit around the 6 to 7 cents target, heading towards the 8 cents target by the end of March. But again, this depends on how the crypto market performs. Of course, with any major crashes or major bull runs and price bumps, this will have a major positive or negative impact, not just on Zilliqa but the whole crypto market in general. But again, nothing like that is predicted right now. So yeah, so far it is looking good for Zilliqa and the crypto market in general, guys. As you can see, since the 1st of January 2023, it's been moving in a positive direction with just about 2 red days in between, but overall it has been moving towards a positive direction, looking quite bullish. So yeah, so far for most cryptos, 2023 has been good, and hopefully, guys, we can maintain that for the rest of the year and potentially hit more green candles, more pumps, and obviously more all-time highs. And as you can see, Bitcoin has nearly hit $21,000 after a good couple of months. So yeah, so far it's been good, and hopefully we should continue this way for the rest of the year as well. So yeah, let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, we are still in the red zone. However, we should be able to head into the green zone, which is the 7 cents target over the next 2 to 3 months. I'm expecting us to head into the green zone. Again, it is quite low at the moment. We are in the lower part of the red zone, but as long as we can slowly and steadily gain value, as I mentioned earlier on in the video, we should be hitting the 6 to 7 cents target by mid to late March 2023, and hopefully by mid-year we should be heading into the dark green zone, hitting this resistance target here, depending on the market conditions and how the market performs and so on. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Zilliqa, guys. What I want you guys to do now in the comment section down below, comment down below what is the highest figure this crypto can hit by 2023. Mine already says in the thumbnail, 20 cents is what I'm expecting from Zilliqa by the end of the year. It may seem like a major increase, but guys, we've still got a good 11.5 months left, around 47-48 weeks left for the end of the year, and yeah, we can potentially hit that target by the end of the year. 20 cents is what I'm saying right now, but obviously things may change. Cryptocurrency is a very volatile market, but that is why I keep you guys updated on a regular basis on most cryptocurrencies on this channel. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. So please, guys, make sure to hit that subscribe button, as it means a lot to me and it will help me out a lot as well, and it's free to do it, so why not do it, guys, and support a brother. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.